Hello friends, this is Dhruvi Shah. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the voice. As you guys can see, my voice is literally down. Like last whole week I wasn't able to speak because I was shooting back to back. I have told this on my Instagram as well, but I am sorry. For next few videos you will hear this kind of voice. So yes, without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay, so as from the title, you guys must be already knowing about my today's video, but yes, today I am going to share you few tips and tricks here and there that you should remember while you are going to buy white jeans. Yes, it is very important. Okay, when you are going to buy white jeans, always remember there are always 2-3 shades of white in their store. So pick the perfect bright white for yourself. For example, there is bright white, there is pale yellowish type white, and there is off white. So take perfectly white. कंपेयर करो दूसरे वाइट कलर से, बिकॉज हम लोग जब स्टोर में जाते हैं ना, हम लोग को लगता है कि ये वाइट है, हम लोग बाय कर लेते हैं. देन लेटर ऑन वी गेट टू नो दैट दिस इज नॉट perfectly white. So just compare white color with other white colors so you'll get the difference. Next thing is that when you buy white jeans, don't buy a thin material because वो फिर दिखता है यार, panty liners and a lot of things are seen and visible. So make sure your jeans is thick and not transparent type because white color में ये issue होता ही है. So you need to check that very well. Okay, next tip is that when you go to buy white jeans, remember that it is perfectly of your own fitting. Because white jeans अगर fitting में नहीं है ना तो वो बहुत गंदा दिखता है. Like curves दिखता है, ये दिखता है, वो दिखता है, बहुत गंदा दिखता है. So white jeans खरीदने के टाइम be conscious. Like literally be very much conscious while buying white jeans. And वो perfectly आपको fit होना चाहिए. अगर loose है तो वो नहीं अच्छा दिखता है. White jeans looks classy only when it is of your perfect fit. Next tip is that always remember आपके white jeans के buttons black या blue ना हो. See, I have these white buttons. So always make sure that वो white button ही हो, because अगर कभी इन शर्ट करना है या फिर टी शर्ट को इन करना है और बेल्ट पहनना है, और अगर बेल्ट नहीं पहनना है तो भी वो बटन ब्लू कलर या ब्लैक कलर का दिखता है and it looks really tacky. So make sure you check the buttons of your white jeans. Okay, next important trick over here is that कभी भी white jeans का सिलाई white color में ही होना चाहिए. Make sure that कि वो black color या blue color या तो फिर कोई भी random color में ना हो, because having white jeans with white linings only look classy. फिर वो बहुत cheap दिखता है. Even if you have bought really costly jeans, वो cheap ही दिखता है if उसका थ्रेडिंग ब्लैक कलर में है तो. नेक्स्ट एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट ट्रिक इज मेक श्योर यू बाय हाई वेस्टेड वाइट जीन्स, बिकॉज उसका फिटिंग हमेशा प्रॉपर आता है एंड वो बैली फैट को भी स्लिम कर देता है. सो मेक श्योर इट इज़ लाइक ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट हाई वेस्टेड वाइट जीन्स. इट गिव्स प्रॉपर फिट. नेक्स्ट टिप ओवर हियर इज दैट चेक योर वाइट जीन्स रियली प्रॉपरली. कोई मार्क्स नहीं है ना, अगर मार्क्स है देन डोंट बाय इट. अगर बाय कर लो तो ऑब्वियसली प्राइस कम करा के बाय करो, बिकॉज हैविंग येस वाइट जीन्स पे बहुत जल्दी मार्क्स लग जाते हैं तो वो हम लोग घर पे लाएंगे फिर मार्क्स लगने वाले. लेकिन वाई टू बाय विच ऑलरेडी हैज़ मार्क्स. So make sure you check this while buying white jeans. Yes, that was all for today. I hope this video was useful and you got something new to learn. And make sure next time if you are going to buy white jeans, these tips are really important, and make sure you are following these tips and then buying white jeans. These are really useful, tried and tested by me. Yes, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and today's video was really useful. So do hit like to this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Yes, bye bye, see you in next video.